In this course, we will apply two well-researched instructional design models, the ADDIE model and the Understanding by Design, or UBD model. Your first question is probably, why two models? The acronym ADDIE serves very well as a mnemonic device to help remember the 5 essential components of instructional design. I'm sure that we can all agree that no matter how you choose to plan for instruction, the planning demands some level of analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. How much attention you invest in each of these areas directly relates to the effectiveness of your teaching strategies. I like to think of ADDIE as the bare bones of instructional design. On the other hand, using the Understanding by Design model as a guideline adds meat to the bones. For example, identify desired results is step 1 of the Understanding by Design model. It also represents a significant part of what's done in the analysis stage of design, typically described as clarifying goals and objectives. The UBD model provides concrete steps for exactly how to clarify goals and objectives in practical terms. For example, by clearly completing the following statements. As a result of completing this lesson, students will understand and be able to apply the following key concepts in an authentic, specified context. Or, as a result of completing this lesson, students will have developed the following level of skill mastery. Every presentation, unit development example, instructional web page, and video is designed to model the practical application of the two instructional design models. The UBD model emphasizes the value of exposing students to a variety of ways that subject matter can be utilized in real-life settings. Therefore, many of the lessons will require you to review documents that attempt to clearly outline the developmental processes involved at each stage of the design process. The development stage of online instructional design demands the use of some sort of learning management system. Therefore, I have included how-to videos on how to set up course content using several learning management systems commonly used in education environments: Moodle, Desire to Learn, and Blackboard. My goal is not to cover step by step how to use the designer tools available in each of the systems. My goal is always to encourage users to use the just-in-time cues and help features specific to each system in order to gain familiarity navigating within the system. The confidence that you develop is transferable, and it will ultimately make it much easier for you to embrace rather than shy away from any new technology. The workshop is designed to demand participants experience the learning management system in the role of both student and teacher. What you experience as a student will help you to see your course through the eyes of your students. The course is self-paced, therefore participants are expected to be entering and exiting the course according to their own schedule. not the instructors. Therefore, it's somewhat of a challenge to facilitate discussion. Please join the course Google group to engage in ongoing discussion about course design. I encourage you to ask questions, answer questions, share both your challenges and success stories, and invite your friends and colleagues to join the discussion. I truly hope you enjoy the course, and I look forward to chatting with you soon. For more in-depth information, please review the additional resources. If you have questions regarding any of the course content, please don't hesitate to ask them in the Instructional Designers discussion forum.